Hey tubers, Ghost Fall 86 here at the river with the tanker Algocanada. So we're going to follow the Algocanada as she goes down the river. Sorry for the shakiness. We're following the Algocanada from Algoma Central Marine, and she is a chemical oil products tanker. I believe she's going to Detroit. So we're just following her as she goes. Well, tubers, thank you much. Have a great day. Goodbye, and enjoy this video of the tanker Algocanada. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Who knows what I'll come up with next. And also subscribe to Super Ships, as they have awesome videos as well. So share my videos and their videos with your friends. Bye.